Hey guys, Scentpotjen here. Sorry I'm not in front of screen. I haven't worked out how to turn it round on video for some reason. I need to practice. Okay, so what I'm doing today is I've popped on just to show you the difference between the mini warmers, tabletop bases and plugins and the glass ones and ceramic ones, because there are differences. So here I've got a range of little warmers, and unfortunately I've only one glass top. So what I have done is popped this onto the base. So as you can see, this is what a ceramic base looks like. So you would have a mini warmer base in glass and ceramic. This one's in ceramic, this one's in glass. So all you do is you get little grommets. So these come in with your mini warmers, and you pop them onto the little section there, and then you literally just pop your mini warmer on top, and it will be a little bit stiffer once the grommet's gone on, but that just stops it from wobbling. So as you can see, that's a little wobbly. Now this one has already got a grommet in it. These come in them already, and all you do with the glass ones is you screw that on, and that happens for the mini warmer plug-in and for the mini warmer tabletop base for the glass ones. They're all screw-in ones. So this is a different range, and as you can see, they're slightly different on the bottom, the shape of them. So obviously the screw-in ones have the little screw on the bottom, and the ceramic ones all have the little shape on the bottom. So that is what they look like. So I'll switch you these on, and then you can see, sorry, I've just plugged this into an extension, which isn't ideal, but I just wanted to do it all in one space for you, then I'm not moving about too much. So as you can see, that's You Are My Sunshine lit up. So these look absolutely stunning. As you can see, that's rosy and that's a glow one. So this is what they look like. So it just depends which one you get, which one it's going to look like. And that's gone on there quite tight now. Just get that off. There we go. So it depends which one you go for. That creates a lovely pattern on the wall, as you can see. That one's the seashore one. It's been quite popular. And we can just work out where the grommet is to plug them off. And then we've got a tea rose one. So as you can see, these glow absolutely lovely. Really pretty warmers. And then the last one I've got to show you of these ones is Crazy Hot Mess. This one looks brilliant, I think, when it's on. Embrace your crazy hot mess, which suits me down to the ground. So that's just a little live of your mini warmers. Hope that helps with the difference, and you've just got to see a couple of them lit up. Thanks guys, I've been Scentpotjen. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe if you're on YouTube. Cheers guys, bye.